The opportunities to make money online are abundant in today's digital era. Whether you dream of building a passive income stream or becoming a full-fledged online entrepreneur, the internet offers endless possibilities. However, diving into the world of online money-making can be overwhelming, with countless options and sources of information available. This is where JetVideoAcademy shines as a guiding light for aspiring online entrepreneurs. Let's explore why JetVideoAcademy is the perfect platform for individuals seeking to embark on a successful journey to make money online. Comprehensive learning resources. JetVideoAcademy provides a comprehensive collection of learning resources that cover a wide range of topics related to making money online. From the basics of online business models to advanced marketing strategies, the Academy's curriculum is designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs. Courses are delivered through engaging video lessons that break down complex concepts into digestible bits, ensuring that every student can learn at their own pace. Expert instructors and mentors. The success of any learning platform lies in its instructors, and JetVideoAcademy takes this aspect very seriously. The Academy boasts a team of expert instructors and mentors who are not only well-versed in their respective fields but have also achieved significant success in making money online. These seasoned professionals are dedicated to sharing their knowledge, experiences, and practical tips, giving students invaluable insights into what works and what doesn't in the online money-making landscape. Practical hands-on projects. Learning by doing is the most effective way to grasp concepts, and JetVideoAcademy fully embraces this philosophy. The Academy offers practical hands-on projects that allow students to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios. Whether it's creating an online store, launching a social media marketing campaign, or building a blog from scratch, these projects give students the confidence and experience needed to succeed in the competitive online marketplace. Networking opportunities. Success in the online realm often relies on building strong networks and partnerships. JetVideoAcademy provides a platform where students can connect with like-minded individuals who share similar aspirations and interests. The Academy's community fosters a collaborative environment where students can seek advice, share experiences, and even find potential business partners. Such a network can be invaluable when launching and scaling an online venture. Updated content and trends. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might not be effective tomorrow. JetVideoAcademy takes pride in staying up to date with the latest trends, strategies, and technologies in the online money-making realm. The content is regularly reviewed and updated to ensure students have the most relevant and cutting-edge knowledge. This commitment to staying current allows students to stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changes in the online business world. Supportive community and accountability. Starting an online business can be a solitary endeavor, but with JetVideoAcademy, you don't have to go it alone. The Academy fosters a supportive community where students can seek help, ask questions, and celebrate each other's successes. Additionally, the platform encourages accountability, ensuring that students stay motivated and on track to achieve their goals. If you are eager to explore the world of making money online, JetVideoAcademy should be your go-to destination. With its comprehensive learning resources, expert instructors, practical projects, networking opportunities, and commitment to staying updated, the Academy provides everything you need to embark on a successful online money-making journey. Join JetVideoAcademy today and take the first step toward turning your online business dreams into reality. Link in the description.